Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Facebook on a browser or the app and sign in with your account. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Security and Login. Look for two-factor authentication under the Security section and tap Edit or Manage. You must re-enter your current password to proceed for security reasons. Have your old phone available if you still have it, or have previously saved recovery codes ready for backup. Expect Facebook to send a 6-digit code to your phone for the next confirmation step. In two-factor authentication settings, choose Add Phone Number or Edit Phone Numbers. Type your new phone number using international format, then request a 6-digit confirmation code via SMS. When the code arrives, enter the 6-digit code into the Facebook prompt to verify ownership of the new number. After successful verification, you can remove the old number from your account and set the new number as the primary two-step contact. Facebook applies changes immediately, so test a login to confirm the new number. After updating your phone number, save recovery codes by downloading or printing them for safekeeping. Consider enabling an authenticator app that generates 6-digit codes every 30 seconds for more reliable two-step verification. Set up trusted contacts as an additional recovery option if you lose access to both phone and codes. If you cannot receive codes, contact Facebook support and follow account recovery prompts or use recovery codes. Finally, review active sessions in security and log in and log out other devices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.